Your fitness goals are just a few tips away. While it is true that becoming fit can take a long time, there are things you can do today to start a fitness plan or to make the one you have better. Try the ideas in this article to jumpstart your fitness plan. The effort you put into it will be worth it. Have a personal goal that you want to meet. Keep this in your head so you have something to work for daily. If you set a goal for yourself, it will help you stay motivated to achieve it. Once you reach your goal, you should reward yourself for it, then make a new goal to work towards. A great way to get fit is to pick up an active hobby such as skiing or snowboarding. Not only will you be having tremendous amounts of fun, you'll be burning a substantial amount of calories as well. Surfing can also be a great active hobby to have. If you don't already have a personal trainer, consider paying for just a few sessions. Oftentimes you don't need to pay for ongoing training, just a couple sessions to get you on the right track, and find out what kind of exercises you should be doing to meet your fitness goals, as well as learning proper techniques for executing them. If you are struggling to wake up for your early morning workouts, consider setting 2 alarms, one right next to your bed, and one that you actually have to get up to turn off. This way you will not have an excuse not to get up and get to the gym. Do not break the bank on a diet and fitness plan that has not been proven to work. Find the most cost-effective diet and fitness plan that will fit into your lifestyle and your needs. Do a great deal of research before joining any diet or fitness club, to be sure that you are not getting ripped off. To greater increase your range of motion, do your crunches with a rolled-up towel or small exercise ball tucked under your lower back. You will work harder to keep your balance, which helps your body stretch. The chance you will get injured from this method is minimal, as well. Try adding yoga to your fitness routine to help reduce stress and increase flexibility. Yoga is a great warm-up for more active exercise, and it will help sharpen your mind, calm your nerves, and give you a good night's sleep. As you progress in yoga, you can try more active forms, such as power yoga for a real challenge. When you are cycling, you should keep your pace between 80 revolutions and 110 revolutions per minute. You will be able to ride farther and able to ride faster. To get a feel for your revolutions per minute, you should count the number of times your right knee comes up in 10 seconds, and then you should multiply it times 6. Try to work out in the morning. Why? Anything can happen to you during the day that makes you tired, stressed, and flat out reluctant to exercise. By starting your day with exercise, you get it out of the way and it's done. You can go on with the rest of your day knowing you've already done something good for your body. It is worth your time and effort to improve your fitness level. The ideas you've read are a great way to make a fitness plan, or to improve the one you have. It may take time to become truly fit, but don't put it off. Start today. You are worth it.